Hello again. This is Professor Duenas with an explanation of what a subject is in a sentence. It would be helpful, however, to discuss clauses a little bit so we can understand the interrelation between the subject and the verb. Because the fact of the matter is that all sentences must contain at least one clause. There are a few different types of clauses, but what turns any group of words into a clause is the combination of a subject and a verb. This is the essence of a clause, the core of every sentence, a subject-verb combination. But before we begin discussing what sort of verb should go with what sort of subject, we should probably explain what a grammatical subject is, what a verb is, and why we need to pay attention to it when writing a sentence. If you would like to skip ahead to the lesson on verbs, please click on the link. If not, stay with me and we'll discuss subjects shortly. A subject, according to the American Heritage Cultural Dictionary, is a part of every sentence. The subject tells what the sentence is about because it is a person or thing that performs the action indicated by the verb or gets described by the predicate. In some cases, the subject is implied, as in the sentence, close the door, get me some orange juice, or please turn your books to page 56. In all of these cases, the implied subject is you. That is the person who would get me some orange juice, the person who would open the door, or the person or people who would open to page 56. Another way to look at a subject is that the subject is whoever or whatever does the action, the doer of the action, and the verb is whatever that person or thing does. In order to understand how to use the various grammatical forms of verbs, we need to consider three different elements of a clause: the number and person of the subject, as well as the tense of the verb. Number and person refer to characteristics of the subject, so we should first understand what the subject is and how the number or person of the subject determine which form of the verb needs to be used in a sentence. If you would like to see a clip about singular versus plural subjects, please click here. If you would like to see a video about person in the subject and how it affects subject-verb agreement, please click here. Thank you.